When you live in West Jordan, Utah, your home experiences all four seasons: hot, dry summers, freezing winters, and occasional snow or heavy rain. These fluctuating conditions can take a toll on your home's exterior, especially your doors, which serve as one of the first lines of defense against the elements. If you're thinking about upgrading or replacing your doors, choosing the right weatherproof options can make a big difference in protecting your home, improving energy efficiency, and increasing overall comfort. Let's explore why weatherproofing is essential in West Jordan's climate and the best door materials and features to keep your home safe and efficient year-round. Why weatherproof doors matter in West Jordan. From winter winds to summer sun, your doors endure a lot. If your current front, back, or patio doors are warped, cracked, or poorly sealed, they could be costing you higher utility bills due to air leaks, moisture intrusion, leading to mold or frame damage, reduced comfort from cold drafts or hot air seepage, shorter door lifespan due to weather-related wear. Weatherproof doors are designed to insulate, seal, and resist the effects of moisture, wind, and temperature extremes, making them ideal for West Jordan homeowners who want peace of mind and energy savings. Top weatherproof door materials for West Jordan homes: fiberglass doors. Fiberglass is one of the most popular weather-resistant materials for exterior doors, and for good reason. These doors mimic the look of wood but are far more durable and require less maintenance. Benefits: resistant to warping, cracking, and rust. Excellent insulation, especially when filled with polyurethane foam. Low maintenance and long-lasting. Paintable or stainable for a customized look. In West Jordan's variable climate, fiberglass doors won't expand or contract dramatically with temperature changes, making them a reliable, long-term solution. Steel doors. Steel doors are known for strength and security, but they also perform well when it comes to weather protection. Modern steel doors come with thermal brakes and foam cores for energy efficiency. Benefits: high resistance to impact and weather, great insulation properties, fire resistant and highly secure, are typically more affordable than wood or fiberglass. To prevent rusting, especially if snow or rain is common, look for doors with a galvanized or powder-coated finish and proper installation to avoid moisture penetration. Wood doors with weatherproofing treatments. Wood doors offer timeless elegance and can be weather-resistant if properly sealed and maintained. For homeowners set on the natural warmth of wood, high-quality hardwoods with factory-applied finishes are best. Benefits: rich, classic appearance. It's customizable in style and stain. It can be upgraded with protective weather stripping and sealants. However, frequent maintenance is required in West Jordan's dry summers and cold winters to keep wooden doors from warping or cracking. Important features to look for: no matter the material, the following features are crucial when choosing a door for West Jordan's climate. Energy Star certification indicates high energy efficiency, Weather stripping reduces drafts and air leaks. Insulated cores, especially important for fiberglass and steel doors. Durable thresholds and sweeps keep moisture and debris out. Storm doors, optional. Add an extra layer of protection from wind and snow. Final thoughts. Invest in the right door for all seasons. Your home's doors play a major role in keeping the weather where it belongs, outside. With West Jordan's mix of sun, snow, rain, and wind, choosing a well-constructed, weatherproof door helps reduce energy bills, protect your interior, and enhance year-round comfort. Whether you're upgrading your front door, back entry, or patio access, consult a local door installation expert who understands the demands of Utah's climate. They can recommend the best materials, styles, and weatherproof features to meet your specific needs. Upgrade smart. Weatherproof your home. And enjoy comfort in every season.